Hi, welcome back. Today's topic is how to import the data from CSV file. So let's go straight to the Excel and import data. I have practice folder set up with CSV data file and the blank Excel which we will use to import data. So basically we will use Power Query to import the file. Power Query makes CSV imports clean and repeatable process with simply refresh button. Click Data menu from the top ribbon. Click the Get Data option which has many options to import data from. First option is from File and then from Text CSV File. Select from Text CSV File from the menu. Select the file available from the folder. It will take a while to connect to the data source and preview window will open. It's very effective to see the actual preview of the data which is to be imported. Pick the correct delimiter. In demo it is comma, but sometimes it can be semicolon or tab. We have various other options to choose, but here let's focus to the default options. We can always go back to the edit mode to change them. Transform data option can open the Power Query window to adjust the data types. But we will do it after completing this task of importing data first. So let's click Load button. It will take a while to load the data into Excel, depending on the size of data or no of rows. In upcoming videos, I'll explain why it's not recommended to click the Load button directly, especially when working with large datasets. To go back and edit our query connection or transform the data, click Data menu and then click Queries and Connections. Connection sidebar will open showing our connections. Double-click to open the Power Query. Or right-click and select the Edit option. Power Query will load with all the tools available for data transformation. First thing you will notice that there are steps on the right side with Source Connection option. This will give you option to go back to any steps and change. We can not only change the data source but all the options related to how data will be read from the source file. Header rows from the source file are promoted as header in the dataset as well. By default, Power Query is smart enough to change the data types. But there is always an option to choose the correct data type. For example, in this data file, barcode field is not showing correct data when converted as numbers. We will change it to data type of text here. And click Load button to see that it is fixed already in the Excel sheet. Congratulations, we have created our first data source from CSV file and imported in Excel. For next step, continue watch our next video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. And turn on the notifications.